Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to change Shopify theme without losing content. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com in your internet browser. The next step is to go to Sales Channel and then click on Online Store. Once you go to Online Store, wait for the website to finish fully loading. This might take some time, but don't worry, I'm still here waiting with you as well. Once the website has fully loaded, scroll down just a bit. And then in here, when you fully scroll down, you will see options as well, or themes. You can do this by clicking on Add button on the theme that you think will be nice for your new website look. Once you click on Add, it will now be added to your theme library. For now, it is installing the theme. So all you have to do for the moment is to wait for it to finish installing. Once the theme has already been installed, you can now click on the Publish icon or the Publish button. Just click on Publish this time. In here, in your current theme, you will see that the theme that you have already chosen is now the one being set as default for your website. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.